Three things would be there. So let's start without wasting time. So let's start making its arms. On the plane, that is ZY plane, I will make a sketch. Before that, first we are going to enter into part design. Okay, this would be a cross section of the arm. Here we can give some dimensions to it, like this one, that is 9 mm, and this would be the thickness of 5 mm. Or you can change this thickness accordingly. Now just pat this symmetric to plane and increase the distance. We can see it from the top view so that we can manage our length accordingly. This is how our arm is ready, and you must be wondering how it will move. There would be a servo motor here with the base plate, which will help it to move in this direction, right? Like this, up and down. Okay, and here we will place our motor plus propeller, and there should be a wa- half around 1.5 to 2 inch gap between the tip of the propellers, so that our vortex created at the tip should not disturb the other, and also do not disturb our lift and create drag, so that there must be 2 inch gap between the tips of the propellers. Accordingly, the arm length will be selected. So now first I am going to make motor here. Not exact motor, just a shape of motor like a circular or cylindrical shape. Selecting this plane, sketch over it, selecting a circle, place it here, like this. And similarly another circle at here. Selecting these two, make equal. Okay, now close it and make some pad over here. Close. Here we have motor. Select this and make some curve here about 0.5. You can see this. This is how our motors look like. Here again, we will make axis over there or the shaft of motor. For that, I am zooming in and just make a smaller circle there. Place it here. Zoom in. Place another circle here. And now make these two equal. Done. Close it and make a shaft here. Not that shaft, this shaft. Like this. Now zoom to fit. The motors are here. And what next? We will make a propeller there. I am not going to select any airfoil. I will just make a shape of the propeller there. Zoom in, select this face, start sketching over there. For that propeller, I will choose this supply. Like this. Like this. You can see our propeller should be is mostly like this. Like this. Most of the propellers are like this only. So I have made this and we will make the similar propeller here. For that, I will move it a bit here. Okay, close it. We will pad it up to only 1 mm. So 0.2 mm would be enough. reverse direction should be inside. Now select this pad and make it polar rotate around this. Okay. We need an axis here. It's not happening there. We need a, we need a axis there. For that, we will take this front plane or we can make it isometric first. Then we will make ZY plane and make a datum plane there. Now I will look it from the front view. I'm going to make an axis there. Okay, I will place it here, and on this plane I will make a sketch. That sketch would be a single line, that is this is the axis. Okay, now I will hide this plane. Now sketch it around this axis pattern, and then select this. I guess it will not be pattern polar rotate about this axis, and no, it won't do. We need to make that. We need to edit that sketch and make it other half of the propeller. Similarly, first let's join these two coincide. Now we can place it here. Here we have our like this. Okay, close and close like this. We have this like this. And similarly, same sketch would be on the other motor propeller to make a propeller. It is not any airfoil or not a perfect shape. I just made it to show you how it looks like. Similarly, I will select this face, sketch over it, and make a propeller there with spline. I guess this one is much bigger than that one. Need to decrease its size. Okay. Now similarly, I will make it here also with this one. Just make them coincide. Take it here. And just pad it. 0.2 in reverse direction. Okay. Now make it zoom to fit. Now you can see we have both the propellers. Yeah, I know this one is bigger and this one is smaller, but they should be equal size. As I don't have any dimensions, that's why it's like this. Otherwise, it should be of equal size. And that to turn it for rolling, there would be a servo inside there to rotate these arms like this and like this. And for others, turning and pitching up, there would be a flight controller which will vary the speed of the motors and help it to move forward or rotate. Rolling for this and for yawing, that motor speed will be different by flight controller and control it. And this is base. Everything is would be placed in this box, flight controller plus battery, and this ESC would be placed over this arm here and here. One ES for this motor ESC would be here. For this motor ESC would be here. And propeller should be equal size. I just made it to show how it would look like. And that's all for today. We have completed our bicopter. In last class we have just made this base plate and you can say base shell. Today we have made arm plus motor plus propeller. And you can give these sharp edges a little bit chamfer or fillet as you require. That's all for today. Thank you. We will meet in next class.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.